Good morning, friends. Namaste. Hope all of you are fine. You know, today I will be going for a story about two friends. Natural story. Very true. Listen carefully. After that, you comment me how the story was, which is based on true facts of two friends. So, actually, your words are always powerful and can change anyone's life. If your words are meaningful and understandable by anyone, it can change your life, it can change your friend's life, anybody who will come in contact with you. Do you know what happened? One day in a hospital, two friends were admitted. Not on same day exactly. Once a friend admitted, and after 2 to 3 days, one of his another friend admitted in same hospital, in same room. One friend was near one window, who was able to see outside, and other friend was on side bed. That the friend who was on side bed, his body was totally paralyzed from neck region to down. His hands were paralyzed, his legs were paralyzed, unable to eat anything, unable to wake up, unable to sit, unable to stand. He was unable to do anything. Every day one sister was coming and taking care of him, was feeding to him, was bathing to him, was doing each and every work of that person. And other one who was near the window, he was able to move properly. But do you know that patient who was near the window, वो 2 दिन का मेहमान था. डॉक्टर ने बोल चुके थे कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. And that patient knows also he will die when, that God knows. But every day what he was doing, he was saying by standing near the window what was happening outside. He was saying to the friend who was on another bed, I said, the paralyzed patient. He was saying, see beach is there, kids are playing, many people are moving. See, one ice cream parlor is there, all are eating ice cream. Wow, nice, cold breeze is coming, wind is coming. I am feeling very great. So when he started saying to the friend, first he denied to listen. He was not listening, he was not giving any importance to the friend's word. But slowly, that paralyzed patient becomes habituated, was waiting for his friend, when his friend will come and will say about the outside world, what is happening. Every day he was saying and the patient was listening, his friend patient, paralyzed patient was listening, became a habit. One day what happened, the paralyzed patient slept. When he wake up in the morning, he was expecting his friend will come and will describe about outside world. His friend didn't come. When he looked at the bed was vacant, bed was empty, no one was there. Sister came. He asked to the sister, where is my friend? Where is he? Has he discharged from the hospital? Sister said, felt sorry, said, he died yesterday night. He is no more with us and he will be no more with you also. Now you are alone in this room. That paralyzed patient cried a lot, was unable to settle his psychology. What to do alone now? He was having one friend who was describing everything in the morning about the outside scenes. Slowly he adjusted. One day he thought, I must transport to that bed, to the window, because no one is there to explain me about the outside. I must shift to that bed itself. He requested to sister, please transfer me, please shift me to that bed. Sister denied. No, you will be here, you don't go to that bed is not good. Whoever patient is coming to that bed, they are dying. So, don't go to that bed, it's not good at all. In tension mood, he was sitting once. When duty over, sister left the place. In the early morning, that paralyzed patient tried a lot to shift to that bed. He was trying and fell down from the bed, and slowly, by doing a lot of pressure, by taking lot of pressure, lot of tension, he shifted finally to that bed and started seeing outside. Do you know, students? He didn't find anything near the window. He found a black, big wall just beyond the window. Then thought, Arey, that friend was saying everything is there, sea beach is there, people are playing, all are roaming, ice cream parlor is there, but nothing is there. When sister came to him to see, he asked to the sister, you see, nothing is there, a blank wall is there, totally a big wall is there, and my friend was lying me every day. That sea breeze is there, sea beach is there, students are playing, elders are jogging, some are doing physical exercise, some of are eating the ice creams. Well, why he was lying? Then sister said, see sir, your friend was lying you or not, I don't know. If at all he was lying and you are believing him by his words, now you are strong enough to stand yourself, strong enough to walk yourself, strong enough to shift from that bed to this bed by yourself only. So, these are the words of your friends. By listening that one, you became self-confident to come over to this bed. So, dear students, from this what you learned, can you tell me? That you can change the life of a person if your words are having weightage, if your words are powerful, then you can change everybody in the world, because the words make a man positive, a word makes a man sensitized, a word makes a man perfect. So, always keep your words positive, be positive, do positive, God will bless you. Thank you all.